Good morning and welcome to the VSA Capital 5-Minute Morning Miner. It's Tuesday, the 16th of November. Good morning, Paul. How are you?
I am well, thank you. Nice, bright, sunny day, too. Nice autumn day.
I'll take your word. It was still dark when I cycled in. I've really been outside. But let's get cracking. How do you want to start today?
Oh, let's start off with that nice big number coming out from Cora Gold here on the update on the resources for their San Ancoro gold project there in Mali. It's a 200% increase in the compliant open pit oxide gold resources there to just about 800,000 ounces, grading right around 1.1 grams gold per ton. All of the deposits in this resource are open-ended completely for expansion yet with more drilling. And for the first time, we see some numbers included in the number from the Zone C discovery that was made this past year. Previous MET test work showed 94% recovery, and the oxidation goes really deep on this project, down to 200 meters or so. So that indicates that the liberation and mining should be a very low cost if they wanted to go heap leach at this point. My own view is that they probably will continue to explore this for a little while yet, because they've found some good high-grade feeders already, which would suggest that the fresh rock might have some much better grades in it, as well as future underground potential. So I think they'll keep exploring this for a little while, but they are going to head to with a DFS study just to get completion on a mine model in the first half of next year anyway.
Okay. Now, I'm wandering around London at the moment with American Lithium, which is a client of ours. Bloody interesting company, performed phenomenally well. There's also been an update from the other one, which is Lithium Americas, which is even bigger, isn't there, Paul?
Yes, that's right. And this particular update is about their Thacker Pass, Nevada lithium clay project, which is in its permitting process at the moment. This past month, they made preliminary determination through the Nevada Department of Environmental Protection to issue the three remaining key state permits, being mine reclamation, water pollution control, and the air quality permit. The record of decision appeal process is underway still, with hearing set for Q1 of next year. And there's also an update on this project where Locke is pushing to see whether or not there might be a phase 2 expansion to 80,000 tons per annum of lithium carbonate equivalent from this clay resource. So it's making progress here, though there is some objection to it from environmental lobbyists because of its scale, because it's going to be a really big operation.
Yeah, but I mean, Nevada, it's pretty safe, isn't it? So there's not much. Because I mean, American Lithium's there as well with a clay project as well, isn't it? I mean, basically, there's not much around there, is it?
There's not much around there, but there is some concerns, in particular for the Thacker Pass project, because of sage grouse, which is a bird species up there.
Right, so we're going to stop the entire transitional energy revolution for the sake of a bird.
You get to argue that one with the climate lobby, I'm afraid. So.
Yeah, they're obviously also, they put in a counter bid for Millennial Lithium, which is the third counter bid after Ganfeng and CATL. I mean, American Lithium already have another operation in Peru, so they are diversified as well. And of course, they've got a bit of uranium as well. It's quite an interesting comparison between the two, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And all of these are going to essentially need to be progressed if we're going to meet these climate targets, that's for sure.
Well, and it's the obvious place for America to get its lithium. I mean, there is a massive shortage of lithium around. The Chinese have land grabbed it all.
Well, they're certainly doing their best in order to make sure they have security of supply on the raw material.
Yeah. Okay, what else, Paul, would you like to talk about?
We've got a share buyback announcement in from Kenmare Resources out today. They intend to buy back about 13.5% of their shares outstanding, and they need a special EGM permission from shareholders to do that. And that is being scheduled for the early part of December. It's looking like it would be about 62 million sterling to be spent on to buy back those particular shares. So we'll see how that plays out, but I think shareholders might be in favor of it.
Okay. Also, talking of which, there's a Iron Ridge investor webinar tonight at 6 p.m. for those that want to understand what's going on at Iron Ridge more. Do go on to that. Anything else from you, Paul?
Oh, we have gotten a statement out from K92, the TSX listed underground gold miner in New Guinea. Their Q3 results have been impacted by on-site COVID-19 issues that are impairing their production. So they have said that those COVID-19 impairments are greater than they expected, such that they expect an increase of cash cost of $60 to $80 per ounce. And as a result, their production numbers are going to be lower in a gold equivalent basis than what they had been forecasting.
Oh, there you go. I mean, there was also talking K92. There was nickel 28, wasn't there? Had some news. Well, so God, all these news. Another way of doing it is just get the metaler involved and put a number on the end.
kind of, it is, and there is a number of players like that too. That's for sure.
You've got South 52, haven't you? What else have you got?
Yes, nickel 28's specific news was that they managed to get they have been told that the Ramu nickel mine is back up and running after a 2-week hiatus that they announced back in October 27th. The Chinese are the operators, or a Chinese firm is the operator of that particular laterite nickel project, HPAL, and it's nice to see that it appears to have come back online, but they didn't go into any real detail as to why it was closed for 2 weeks.
There you go. All right, that'll do for now, Paul. Thank you very much, and we'll speak again tomorrow.
Very good. Thank you.